Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. Got a quick one for you today, hopefully, but who knows, because I don't think I've ever been as uncomfortable. I'm missing a hammer. I don't think I've ever been as uncomfortable to start a video as I am in the start of this video about the topic that I'm talking about. Today's discussion is about money, and it's a sensitive topic, probably now more than ever. Money is a sensitive topic for people to talk about. I'm not going to get all deep into money in this video. This is an announcement. This is the only reason that this video exists is to announce that I have created a Patreon page. It's patreon.com/wooden things and stuff. I will leave a link to it in a pinned comment down below. A few people have been asking me over the last little while if I have a Patreon page or how they can financially support the channel. And so this is in response to those requests, but to be completely honest, it was going to happen eventually. I didn't start this channel with the intent on it making me money. I wanted to just show people what I was doing out in the shop, and I have fun doing it, and I am having fun doing it, and I'm going to continue to show people what I'm doing out in the shop and have fun doing it. I am not moving forward with this channel in an attempt to make more money for my family or anything like that. But it is becoming increasingly obvious that I should probably not be dedicating as much time as I am to making videos for YouTube, when I could be spending that time making money for my family. So I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing. If you want to help support me, keep churning out these videos, you think that there's something valuable or entertaining about them, head on over there and see if there's a tier that you like, that you could throw me a few bucks a month. If not, that's fine too. I don't expect everybody to start throwing money at me for this. This is not what this is about. This is to try and give people a place where they can do that. Yeah, I'm putting a lot of time into into this channel, and I will admit that even though I didn't start this channel to make money, when I was doing it for just over a year at a rate of approximately a video a week, and YouTube announced that I could be monetized now. They sent me the message that you can now monetize. I was pretty stoked because I was like, oh sweet, I'm gonna get a little something for all this work that I'm putting in. And I'm 3 and a bit months into being monetized, and I've come to realize that that's a joke. Just like, yeah, okay, they're it's funny. I'm not going to talk specific amounts of money, because I don't know if I'm allowed to talk about how much I make from AdSense revenue. Who reads the little contract or the extensive contract on things these days on the internet? You click I agree, because they're like, you want to get paid, you click I agree. So I don't know if I'm allowed to talk about specifics, but let's just say if I put in as much work this year on the channel as I did last year, by the end of this year, I will have made approximately 47 cents an hour for what I'm doing here on YouTube, if I just have the AdSense revenue to go by. So that's it for this one. It's just I'm telling you that there is now a place where you can help support the channel. Patreon.com/wooden things and stuff. And I am going to soon also launch an Etsy store for charcuterie boards and little boxes and things that I make in the shop, that if you don't like supporting me on, or if you don't want to support me on Patreon, if you don't like Patreon for whatever reason, you can buy yourself something from the Etsy store once it's up and running. I'll have another announcement about that when it's stocked. But that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay positive. You know, it's one of the things that don't think people are talking enough about during this thing is the mental impact. Everybody's talking about the financial impacts and the economic impacts and the physical health impacts and the stresses on the health system and all this stuff. I don't think people are talking enough about the mental stress aspect of this. So stay mentally healthy too. All right? Do something fun once in a while. That's it. I'm off my soapbox. I gotta get off my soapbox. My chair is now called the soapbox. All right.